How to make fringe earring strands.
For this part, I drew out the pattern that I was going to be using for this gold and white look. When you reach the very end and the last bead of each strand, you're going to weave back through after the first strand. So as you can see, I'm going in through the second bead all the way back up to the top of this strand. Once I reach the top, I will weave over one bead to the right to begin my next strand. As you get closer to the center, your strands are going to get longer, and when you get closer to the other side, your strands will begin to shorten up again. You're going to repeat these steps until you've reached your last strand. Once you have completed all strands for this fringe earring, you're going to go ahead and use your beading wire, weave it through the top triangle portion of your earring a few times through the beads to secure the string and cut the excess off. Then it will be ready for you to apply your earring hook on the top loop portion of your fringe earring. Ta-da!